Now, I know the first time you log in, you have to select your role.
Right? Dentist, nurse, receptionist, you know the drill.
But why is that so important?
It's all about personalization.
Personalization.
The portal tailors the CPD requirements to your specific role. So you only see what's relevant to you.
So no more wading through a ton of stuff that doesn't even apply to me.
Exactly. It saves you so much time and hassle.
No more confusion about what you actually need to do.
Exactly. It makes things so much clearer.
So once you're logged in and your profile is set up, you can find the CPD portal.
Right on the main dashboard.
Easy peasy.
Couldn't be simpler. And this is where the real magic happens.
Oh. Tell me more.
Uploading CPD certificates.
Okay.
It's literally drag and drop. Remember those nights spent digging through piles of paper certificates?
Don't remind me.
We'll say goodbye to that forever.
I can already hear sighs of relief from dentists everywhere.
Definitely. And it gets even better.
It does.
You can categorize your certificates by type IRMER radiography, updates, all that.
So it's like having a perfectly organized virtual filing cabinet.
Exactly. Everything is right where you need it when you need it.
I love it. And what about keeping track of CPD hours?
Oh, that's easy. Just enter the issue date and CPD hours for each certificate.
Simple as that.
Yep. It might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes tracking your progress so much easier.
I bet. And speaking of tracking progress, the portal has this really cool visual progress bar.
Yeah, you can see exactly where you stand at a glance.
Love that. It's like a video game. You level up as you complete your CPD.
Exactly. It keeps you motivated and on track.
And no more last-minute scrambling to meet those requirements.
Right. Peace of mind knowing you're always on top of things.
Now, what about that Documents tab I see? Is that just for CPD certificates?
It's for all those other important documents, too. You know, Hepatitis B records, DBS checks, things like that.
So it's like a central hub for all your important professional documents.
Exactly. All in one secure, easy-to-access place.
Wow. Think of all the time that could save you searching for stuff.
Absolutely. It's all about streamlining and simplifying.
I'd love that. And if you do any extra CPD activities beyond the requirements.
You can add those records to the portal, too, just to have a complete picture.
Makes sense. Okay, so let's say I've got all my documents uploaded and my CPD is nicely organized. How do I share this with my practice administrators?
Sharing is super easy. You just enter their email addresses and send them an invitation link.
So they can instantly see my CPD status and records.
That's right. No hassle with us.
And I bet that makes life so much easier for practice managers.
Absolutely. They can get a complete overview of the entire team's CPD status.
Wow, no more chasing people down for paperwork.
Exactly. It's all right there at their fingertips.
Okay, now for the million-dollar question.
Shoot.
What if I work at multiple practices? Do I have to update my CPD information separately for each one?
That's the beauty of the CPD portal. You only need to update your information once.
Wait, really?
Yep. And it syncs across all the practices you're associated with.
No way. So if I upload a new certificate today, all my practices will see it.
Instantly. It's all automatic. Talk about time-saving efficiency.
That's incredible. I bet practice managers who oversee multiple locations are loving this.
Absolutely. It makes their lives so much easier.